Dark storm clouds gathered over Nogales before intense rainfall suddenly overwhelmed the border city, turning busy streets into fast-moving rivers. Within a short time, neighborhoods across Nogales, Sonora, Mexico were battling dangerous flash floods as powerful currents swept through roads, intersections, and residential areas. The storm also raised concerns across the border in Nogales, Arizona, where emergency officials closely monitored rising water and flood-prone locations. Some of the worst flooding was reported in Las Lomas, around La Herradura Bridge, Avenida Tecnológico, Boulevard Colosio, Avenida Obregón, and Boulevard Kennedy. Torrents of muddy water rushed through the streets, carrying debris and trapping vehicles in places that normally serve as major traffic routes. Videos recorded by residents showed cars struggling against the current, while entire sections of the city disappeared beneath rapidly rising water. Authorities urged everyone to avoid flooded roads, warning that even a small amount of moving water can easily sweep away a vehicle.
Ay, no manches. Ay, sabe. Ay, Dios mío de mi vida, qué cosa tan horrorífica.
Emergency responders carried out several dramatic rescues as conditions deteriorated. A 12-year-old girl and an elderly woman became trapped inside a white SUV after floodwater surrounded their vehicle. Rescue teams reached them before the current became even stronger, bringing both passengers to safety.
¡A la verga!
In another incident, municipal police officers rescued an elderly woman stranded inside her car at Avenida Obregón and Boulevard Kennedy. Officers positioned their patrol vehicle to reduce the force of the rushing water, allowing rescuers to safely evacuate her. Earlier flood emergencies had already shown how quickly people could be swept away, reinforcing the danger posed by these sudden urban floods. The severe weather disrupted daily life across Nogales. Businesses struggled as flooded access roads prevented customers from reaching commercial areas, while residents remained inside their homes, waiting for the water to recede. Community members used social media to share live updates, helping warn others about flooded streets and dangerous currents. Their videos quickly spread online, revealing the true power of the storm and the speed at which flash floods can transform an entire city. One touching moment captured public attention when a small dog became trapped near a flooded roadside. As the current continued to rise, the animal managed to climb onto a nearby structure and escape the rushing water, becoming a symbol of survival during the emergency.
Centro médico, ¿ve usted cómo se encuentra? ¿Tres carros? Sí.
alongside stories of destruction, acts of courage by police officers, firefighters, emergency crews, and local residents highlighted the determination of the community to protect lives despite the dangerous conditions.
Con los cables.
Meteorologists explain that flash floods develop rapidly when intense rainfall exceeds the capacity of urban drainage systems. Water collects on paved streets, creating powerful currents capable of carrying vehicles, damaging infrastructure, and isolating neighborhoods within minutes. Because these floods form so quickly, officials continue urging residents never to drive or walk through moving water, no matter how shallow it appears. As floodwaters slowly recede, authorities continue assessing damage while monitoring the possibility of additional rainfall. For many families, the images of cars being swept away, dramatic rescues, and streets transformed into rivers will remain unforgettable. The flooding in Nogales is another reminder that extreme weather can strike with little warning, and that preparedness, fast emergency response, and public awareness remain the strongest protection when nature suddenly unleashes its full force.